Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make your Canva slides pop with cool animations? Let's dive in together. Click the Create button to start. Next, navigate to Presentation and select it. Click Presentation to proceed. Your design will now appear, ready for use. Follow these steps to quickly access and view your selected presentation design. To add an image, click in the empty space, then select Elements. Choose Generate from the menu. In the text box, type a description, for example, sunny place, and click Generate. The tool will create an image based on your description. You can generate multiple images by changing your descriptions. Use specific details for better results. This feature lets you add unique AI-generated images to your project quickly and easily, matching your creative vision. Click the image you want to add to your sign. You can also select any element from this form, and it will automatically appear on your sign. To make the image your background, select the image and choose Set as Background. Once the background is set, you can continue customizing your sign by adding other elements, such as animals or additional graphics, as needed. Click on the search bar to start finding images or graphics. Since the content looks like a photo or graphic, enter relevant keywords related to your project. Browse through the available options and select images that closely match your needs. Before finalizing, ensure the chosen image fits correctly within your design or layout for the best visual result. To create and add outlines, start by selecting your image. Click on the image to highlight it. Next, choose the text outline tool from the toolbar. Click on it to activate the outlining feature. Now, draw the outline directly around your image as desired. Adjust the color, thickness, and style of the outline using the options provided. If you want to add animation, select the outline you just created. Click on the animation button and choose an animation effect from the list. Preview your animation and make adjustments as needed to achieve the look you want. Create a new project. Next, add the data provided into the workspace. Once the data is added, adjust the speed settings as needed to reduce the playback speed. After adjusting the speed, move the view closer for a detailed look. Observe the changes to confirm that the modification is working correctly. This process lets you verify the adjustments have taken effect and ensures the setup functions as expected. Once you're satisfied with your previous changes, locate the starfish icon in the toolbar. Click on it to add the starfish to your project. You can then drag it to your desired position on the canvas. Make any adjustments needed to size or orientation so it fits perfectly with the rest of your design. Click the navigation button to open the main menu. From here, locate and select the design option. This will take you into the design interface, where you can customize your project. Look for the available design tools on the left side of the screen. Choose the tool you want to use and click on it to activate. Adjust settings such as colors, fonts, and layouts in the panel that appears. Make your desired changes and preview their effect on your project in real time. Once you're satisfied with your design updates, remember to save your work by clicking the Save button located in the upper right corner of the screen. In this section, you'll see the background of the announcement. To add another announcement, click the Add Announcement button. You can also include a link by pasting the URL into the designated field. This allows you to share important information and direct users to related resources. Make sure to review your announcement and link before saving to ensure everything appears correctly. To add a new plan, click the Add Plan button. This opens a form where you can enter all the necessary details for your plan. Fill in the plan name, description, and any other required information such as start and end dates. If there are specific tasks or milestones associated with this plan, add them in the designated sections. You can assign team members by clicking the Assign field and selecting users from the list. Make sure to set priority levels and deadlines as needed to keep your plan organized. If your plan includes resources or documents, attach them now by clicking the Attach Files button and uploading the relevant files. Once you've entered all required information, review your plan details to make sure everything is accurate. To enhance your project, you can add additional elements such as images, text, or shapes. To do this, go to the toolbar and select the element you want to include. Click to place the element on your canvas, where you can resize or reposition it as needed. Next, layer your elements for a more dynamic design. Drag elements to rearrange their order on the timeline or canvas. This allows you to create complex scenes with overlapping visuals. If you want to add a transition between different parts of your project, select the area where you'd like the transition to occur. Click the transition button in the toolbar. Browse through the available transition styles such as fades or wipes, and click on your chosen effect. Once you've made your adjustments, try playing your project again to review the changes. If you're satisfied with the result, it's time to save your work. To save a static version, choose the option to export or save as a PDF for printing or easy sharing. If you want a video format, select Export as MP4 to create a video file that you can upload or share online. Alternatively, you can save your project as a GIF, which is ideal for quick previews or adding motion to documents and presentations. Simply click the appropriate export button, choose your desired format, and follow the prompts to save your file to your computer. Now your project is ready to be shared or presented in the format you prefer. Get creative with your Canva slides using animated elements. Like what you learned? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips.